In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run Asana rules effectively. Whether you're a seasoned Asana user or just starting out, these steps will help streamline your project management workflow with customized automation. Let's dive right into it. First, head over to the Asana website and log in with your credentials. Once you're on the home page, you'll want to navigate to the specific project where you want to set up some rules. Click to open your project, and once you're inside, take a moment to notice the variety of options and tabs that are dedicated to organizing and managing your work. Today, however, we're going to focus on one of the most powerful features: automation through rules. To get started with creating these rules, you need to look for the Customize button within your project. Click on this button to explore customization options, which include setting up rules to automate those routine tasks that often take up valuable time. Once you click it, a new realm of possibilities for automation unfolds. Next, you'll need to click the Add button, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Rule. This step is crucial as it allows you to start setting the criteria for your automation. You'll find an option to create a custom rule, and this is where the magic truly happens. You'll start by setting a trigger. Think of this as a specific event or condition that will kick off the rule. Triggers can be anything from a task being marked complete to a particular date being reached. Choose the trigger that makes the most sense for the project you're working on. With your trigger firmly in place, you'll proceed to define the action or outcome you want to happen automatically when the trigger condition is met. For instance, you could assign the task to a team member, change its priority level, or update its status. This action step is what ensures that the intended task transitions seamlessly once triggered. The final component of your custom rule is the destination status. This determines where your task will end up after all conditions are satisfied. It's a wonderfully efficient way to ensure that your tasks move smoothly through the various stages of your workflow, preventing potential bottlenecks. After meticulously setting up your trigger, action, and destination status, take a moment to review all the details to make sure everything is set up correctly and there aren't any errors. Once you're satisfied with the configurations, go ahead and click on Publish Rule. Your new rule is now active and will automatically manage certain aspects of your project as you specified. By following these steps, you'll harness the full potential of Asana's rule automation. Not only is it a fantastic way to increase efficiency and reduce manual effort, but it also ensures that nothing slips through the cracks in your project management processes. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you save time and boost your productivity with Asana.